Okay, so every group had to design a container that would hold 293 pieces of popcorn. And the only thing that you had to help you out was a sample of 10 sizes. And they were pretty much average sized pieces of popcorn. Each of you had that. And you brought in your brainstorming or things that you're thinking about yesterday and today about the things you needed to consider when designing it. You know, the only materials you had were paper, staplers, tape, rulers, access to rulers to help you with that in constructing yours, okay? 20-minute time limit. So tell me, first group, I'm going to go around each group. Tell us what you're thinking about as you were about to get started.
Basically, we just made a backup plan because
we wanted a box at first.
Yeah.
Something that would be big enough to fit. And our last plan was kind of stingy, so I made a backup plan, and then at the last moment when our original plan wasn't working, we just switched to that one and we all worked on it and finished it.
When you said stingy, what do you mean? Stingy with what?
It was falling over, we didn't have the sides.
So you were thinking about sturdiness. What about size? What was your thought process when you went to the size of it?
We wanted it to not for the this plan. We didn't want the sides to be. We wanted the sides to be equal to this, like equal. Okay. All the sides to be equal.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. What about you guys?
So yesterday they thought that we should do more of a sphere, but today when we came in we thought that would be a little bit difficult. So but first we kind of tried it with pieces of paper, and then we saw it would turn out more like that. So then we decided for the shape to be like that, so it could be easier.
Easier for what?
Easier to make it because the sphere would probably take more than 20 minutes.
Okay, so for each group, I know that design is something you're going to talk about. Also, try to mention what was your thinking when you thought about the size of your container, because we're all thinking about volume here, right? And how much it's going to hold. We know that it has to hold exactly 293 pieces of popcorn. So what were you guys thinking about when you said, okay, how big are we going to build this?
Well, since sometimes spheres can hold more, and the popcorn, since it's a wee round, there's more space in it, and so we have this little thing that flaps up and down, so that you can just pour the popcorn in.